Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a button. When the user click on the button, the color of the button will be changed like this. Look at this example. When the user click at the first button, the first button color will be changed, and when he clicked at the second button, the second button color will be changed. Let's create it. Let's go to the main activity here, and here when we create the button variable for this, inside of the method of that, go to the inside of method, we write first. If you don't know about this, you go to the previous lecture and you will understand about this. For changing the background color, you have to write the button ID. After that, dot set background color, and now you can use color dot, and you have to write the color name into capital letter. I use blue, and let's go to the second method. In second method, we also write the name of the button, second dot background color dot set background color, and here we use color dot blue. Remember this, you have to write the color name into capital letter. If you write it into a small letter, it doesn't work. Let's see it. Look, it doesn't work. We have to write it into capital letter. And now our background is set, but it has a problem, because when the user click on the first button, the first button color will be changed, and when he click at the second button color also changed, but the first button color doesn't come at the previous color. Let's see it. Look, when the user click on the first button color will be changed, but when he click at the second button also changed, but the first button doesn't come at the previous color. Let's solve this. For this reason, we go to the first method and write the second button name, second dot set background color, and we use color into black. Yes. Look, when the user click at the second button or at the first button, when the user click at the first button, the second button come into is black color, and also we set this in this second button. We use the first button ID dot set background color into black. Now let's see it. Look, now when the user click at the first button color will be changed, and when he clicked at the second button, the second button color will be changed, and the first button color comes into first or previous color. Thank you guys for your watching. If you have any question, you can put it at the comment section. Thank you so much.